Hello, I'm Jereme Dison. Welcome to Trophy Rides, where we hear the stories behind the rides. Today I'm checking out a very cool, one-of-a-kind, custom-built hot rod. So follow me, let's go check this thing out.
I'm Nathan Curry.
Nathan,
Hey.
Jereme Dison.
Hey, Jeremy, nice to meet you, sir.
Nice to meet you. Now, what is this?
It's a 28 Ford Model A sedan.
Model A sedan.
Found it in a field. It's had everything done to it. It's been in 3 magazines and all that right now. It was built for SEMA. Chopped it 5 inches. We one-off sliding ragtop by Legacy. Made the visor on the front. We widened the cowl 2.5 inches on each side. My goal was like, oh, I want to do a stick shift car, and the floor with the tranny tunnel, it didn't happen how I wanted it. But one thing, we own, my father owns Show Me Rod and Custom and Nixa, and then I do custom paint, and it's Curry's Ink and Nixa. We're together. But we built literally everything on this one-off. So the air cleaner's one-off. We even made the valve covers for this car. The exhaust, we want it to look like a P51 plane. The hood is one-off made. Headlights are motorcycle. We made the housings. That grill is one-off. I wanted to mix between a 36 and a 40 Ford, and I just kind of raked it back. One-off suspension, one-off air ride. See-through floor in the back between the nitrous bottles. I wanted a 49 Ford dash. Couldn't find one. So we made this. We sat in the car as I'm mocking it up. 15-inch steering wheel was hitting my legs. So we made a one-off 13-inch steering wheel. Made the shifter for the car. All the airbrushing's me. I wanted to do the history of hot rodding. So you got racing on the beach, stock car, drag racing, Bonneville. We modified the wheels. The whole underneath side is just as slick as the top. It's sitting on little rubber bump stops, so it's not actually sitting on the ground, paying against concrete. We did the tail lights and the gas door and made the roll pan, so it kept the speed hole theme going.
This is really cool.
Thank you, thank you.
Many hours went into this.
Oh, it took 6 years.
Wow.
6 years every night, every weekend.
I just noticed how you got everything painted in there.
Yeah. So they did all the history of so racing on the beach.
That's what you were talking
Did
about.
the drag racing. The see-through floor on top of the rear end is Bonneville, and then there is my dad, his portrait and his dirt track car when he raced when he's 20.
Oh wow, I got to get that.
Yeah, so I wanted to do somebody that influenced me in the hot rod scene, and I was going to do Gene Winfield because I knew Gene really well, and the night I started painting it, I did my dad and surprised him with it.
Oh, that's great.
That's like a little 4x6 picture is what I went off of for his dirt track car. And then I had to go in the office and find something with his signature so I could steal his signature because I signed it, made it look like he signed it. But it was in the House Color booth. It's one-off House of Color we made. With House Color, we did Galaxy Gray. It's the same color as the graphics. The motor and the graphic is the wheels, but we did a satin clear on them. We smoothed the wheels. It says Kingpin on the wheels too. The name of the car is Kingpin. But Nitrous Outlet did a one-off nitrous kit for the car. PRC did a one-off radiator for the car.
What's the horsepower on this?
It's right at 8. It's pretty nasty, but it's like I can still drive it. And I was worried about the radiator because it's super tiny, and they said it will not overheat, and it loves 185, 190. But I did it old school. I originally had the tunnel ram, and I bought a blower for it, and then I sold the blower, and I just kept it the 60s style tunnel ram on it. And I just wanted something where everybody goes, "Where did you buy that?" I wanted to be able to say we made it, and that's what we did.
Well, I appreciate you showing it to me.
Oh, you're welcome, sir.
If you have a classic car or unique ride you'd like to see featured here, let me know. Thanks so much for watching, and tell your friends.
Got a rock and roll soul.